All right, so I got a machine right here. Okay, I just started her up. It's been like 3 years and she didn't want to start. Oh, and I got this bee flying around. Okay, what happened was I had to replace the cord, right? After I replaced it, it was like hard. Like it wouldn't start at all. Like I couldn't pull it. So what I did was this. Pull out the spark plug. That's the spark plug. You see it right there? Take the wire out. Take the spark plug out. Okay? And then take a screwdriver. You take this lid off. And you will see. Let's see. It will be like on the side. You just take it. And you hit it. Turn it. Turn it. And has somebody pulling the cord. Not too much pressure. Just a little pull. As you turn the engine. Right there. You can do it like that, or the machine won't start. So don't have nobody put the cord when you're doing this. You lift her up and turn the blade. Make sure you wear some nice gloves, you know, something thick. Excuse me. Oh, turn the blade around. What you're doing is by turning it, it's in the bottom. You see this one don't have it because it broke. By turning it, what you're doing is sometimes these engines, because they sit, they want to freeze up a little. You feel me? And it's not that bad. You feel me? Put some gasoline in it, premium, and put a little bit of oil, like the oil you mix on your weed eater. Just a little bit, not much, you know. 40-1 is good. And you want to clean everything out. Look at all that right there. Look at that. Look at all that. That's because it was sitting for so long. This was a brand new machine and I messed it up. I left it sitting outside. Oh, yeah. Michael, what you have done. And now, let me show you. I couldn't pull this cord. This cord was like frozen. It wouldn't even move like that. After the machine was on, I took some of that WB-40, the good one. And I just start spraying it and there, moving it, spraying it, moving it, spraying it until it finally came loose. So here we go. All right, look how easy she starts. Perfect. You see, look. You see? It goes right back. No more white smoke coming out. All I gotta do is put a blade, and that tire right there got frozen. You see it? So I want to loosen it up. I'll fix it. But yeah, there you go. It's that easy to fix. It's not hard at all. All right. Well, this is Michael. Oh, and the reason you take the spark plug out is because you want that pressure to come out. You feel me? Want to loosen it up. Then you put the spark plug back on, and start it up. All right, well, this is Michael, and this is how you get a lawnmower that's been sitting for a long, long time to crank up. All right, thanks for watching.